Now then, and welcome to Use and DIY. In this video, we're going to unbox and try out these lens inserts from VR Rock. Okay, so we've covered some other lens inserts on the channel. So lens inserts go inside the MetaQuest 3 or other VR headsets. And what it allows you to do, it gives you the same prescription view. So if you are a glasses wearer, it removes the need for glasses to be worn inside the headset and gives you that same view inside there with no glasses. So for me, I've got the MetaQuest 3, love the MetaQuest 3, but wearing the glasses inside there, it is doable, but it is very uncomfortable after a long time. So, well, not even after a long time, say 10-15 minutes, you feel the strain of your glasses kind of pushing into on your nose and on the side of your face. So if you are a glasses wearer, I would recommend highly to get lens inserts. And on today's video, we're going to try out these, the ones from VR Rock. We're going to give them a go and see what they're like inside the MetaQuest 3. So we'll jump down onto the desk down here and we'll have a look inside this box I've sent. So, VR Rock, nice cool yellow branding there. You can see inside the box we've also got a cloth, which is very important to use the cloth when cleaning glasses or glass. Other materials can create micro scratches on glass and plastic if you're using different materials. So that's one thing to look out for. Nice solid cardboard box. And then we've got the carry case itself protecting the lens inserts there. So let's unzip this and take a look inside. So either side you can see we've got two lens inserts in plastic. Let's get them out of the carry case. So the two lens inserts there. Let me just take this cloth out and we can use the cloth as a protective surface so we don't damage the lens inserts. Okay, so we've got the cloth ready there. Let's have a look at these lens inserts. Okay, so they are the lens inserts. Obviously the plastic housing, and it is a shinier kind of gloss black compared to other ones that are matte black. So you can see those there, and hopefully on here there's an indicator. So yes, there is. You may not be able to see it on camera, but just there below my finger there is a small L, and on this one, let me just find it. Yeah, it's over there. On this one, just below my finger, there is a small R, so obviously indicating the right and left lens inserts. So these are prescription lens inserts for my prescription, giving me that kind of full 20/20 vision inside the headset to be able to get the full proper experience inside there. So these are a similar design to other manufacturers where there is a magnetized frame that goes inside the headset and clips in. So if I show you on this camera down here, you can see hopefully that there's some magnets inside, some metal points and some magnetic points inside the actual insert, and that simply drops onto there. So this element fits inside the headset, and then you can remove and add this insert in and out as you please to make it obviously easy to switch between different users of the headset. So what we'll do, we'll bring in the MetaQuest 3, we'll fit these into the MetaQuest 3, see what the fitting's like and give them a go and actually inside the headset. Okay, so I've got the MetaQuest 3. These lens inserts are available for other headsets, not just the MetaQuest 3, but I've been sent specific ones for the MetaQuest 3 to try out. And you can see, hopefully, I'll come down to this camera. You can see inside there, I've got just nothing inside there other than the standard lenses that come inside the MetaQuest 3. So what I will do is I will fit these in. So I've got this one, which is right, and let me spin it around. I'll do it this way. Hopefully you can see on camera. And you can hopefully see there's a groove that goes around the inside of these lens inserts, and they will fit specifically inside the MetaQuest 3 headset. There's a ridge that goes around the outside, and those have specifically been designed for these inserts to go in, so they specifically built that ridge in there to allow you to do this. So let's fit them inside, let's talk in, and we'll see how easily they clip in. So I'm going to rest it over the top, and hopefully we should hear some clicking. Okay, so we heard it click in, so that's the actual insert that's clicked in, or the frame itself, and we'll do exactly the same for the left-hand side one. Pop that on there, and we should hopefully get the same clicking. Let me just make sure. There we go. So that's all clicked in. So the inserts are fitted inside there. Really, really simple to do. You don't have to push down hard, simply just push in. And what we should be able to do now is simply remove the actual insert, the magnetized element, and they should just pop up really easily. So there you go, yes, that's one. That's the right hand one, and then the left hand side one. There we go. and then you're just left with the inserts, the insert attachment just inside there, ready for the insert to go back on. There's also, you might not be able to see inside there, but just at the top of each of those there's an R and an L with an arrow pointing directly up, just to give you some assistance while fitting. So that's the insert attachment in there. What I'll do is I'll put the actual lenses back in, and they should just simply drop on and magnetise on, like so. Just notice as well, there's the magnets, but there's also some tiny little plastic, almost like dimples. You may not be able to see that, apologies on there, but they go into some little holes as well, which gives it a little bit more security maybe, or easier to fit on the actual insert. So again, if I do that and drop it on, the magnet's taken hold of it. If I shake them, it doesn't come out. They're stuck on nicely, but they are really super simple to take off. And that's obviously if you're passing between multiple players to use the VR headset, it just makes it much easier to do. So what we'll do now is I'll put the headset on, give it a go, and just see if it affects anything negatively in terms of field of view, usability, etc. And just to make sure that the actual vision element for myself and my prescription is working as expected. Okay, so here we have the Meta Quest 3 with the inserts in, ready to try out. So take my glasses off. I can record inside, but there's really no point in showing you what's going on inside, because you won't be able to see the kind of difference in vision. So let me pop the headset on and just make sure things are working. Okay, so I'm inside the headset. Let me just unlock things in the metaverse. Okay, so straight away, perfect vision. So yeah, I'm getting exact same vision as wearing my glasses inside the headset. The text is really sound. The clarity of everything is perfect. Just like wearing my glasses, if not better, to be honest with you. So the difference is, obviously, I can't feel the pressure of my glasses on the side of my face. I can't feel the pressure on my pushing on my nose, and it gives me that little bit more room inside the headset to bring the headset closer to my face. So the vision is brilliant. I'm also not getting any impact whatsoever on the field of view, which is absolutely brilliant. You do get with the Meta Quest 3, you can see the inside of the headset to a certain degree. It's not just screen, but that is kind of expected. But this doesn't add anything extra to it at all. So you might think that you'd be able to see a little bit of that insert more so, but you can't at all. So yeah, overall really good, and just bringing me that perfect vision inside the headset with no need for glasses. Okay, we're all done now with the VR Rock lens inserts for the Meta Quest 3. Really impressed, really easy to fit. Really easy to fit inside the headset. The plastic inside there, I don't know if you can see, is the same kind of colour and texture as the Meta Quest 3 plastic. The Meta Quest 3 is a little bit more rubberized, but it kind of blends in nicely inside there. So you wouldn't even realise you've got lens inserts in there if someone was to see them. So overall, really impressed. The actual vision it provides inside there is probably as good, well, is as good, but probably even better than wearing glasses. You don't have the field of view interference with the edge of your frame inside there of the glasses, so it's giving you that better and fuller experience inside the VR headset that not like a non-glasses wearer would get. So it's allowing you to use a headset, but to use it with your prescription sorted inside there on the lens inserts. So overall, really impressed. Really easy to fit, really easy to use. So overall, I definitely recommend these as a go-to product. Okay, hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Hopefully it's been informative at least. If it has, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Any questions about these VR Rock headset lens inserts, about the usage of them, the fitting of them, anything like that, please do drop it in the comment section. I will reply to all questions about the inserts. Any comments about the video, any comments for future videos, anything else like that, again, please do drop it in the comment section. I will reply to those that ask any questions or suggest anything. And if you want to follow the Houston DIY channel for more tech reviews, product reviews and home DIY projects, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one.